Hello, Luca from fullfreesoftware.net here. In this video, I'll explain to you step by step how to hide the clock on the taskbar in Windows 11. You should know that this video is for those who have installed Windows 11 version 23H2 or later. Hiding the clock can be done for many reasons. But anyway, the reason doesn't matter, the fact that you're here shows that you want to hide the clock from the taskbar. Let's go ahead and hide it. First, right-click on the taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Then, click on Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Here we are. From this panel, we can hide the clock. Under Show Time and Date in the system tray, as you can see, it's on. Click it and turn it to off. That's it. If you like this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to visit the website fullfreesoftware.net to download various software giveaways.